Thank you for joining another episode of 507 Garage. In this episode, we are working on fiberglass and body fitment of the SerialNine kit, just making sure that it fits perfectly in the car and preparing the car for paint. So our last video was pretty much posted a month ago, so we apologize for the delay in actually getting videos out. It's just been very busy and haven't found time to make new videos. So in this video, you'll see me follow Jamar's lead in learning how to work on fiberglass in regards of using the fiberglass sheets as well as resin to make sure everything fits nice and tight on the car. We received delivery of another Lexus GS300 that we're going to be working on as well. And like I mentioned before, we have a lot that is going to be happening. We just can't announce anything right now, but we're excited to when the time is right to do so. So in the meantime, you will see some of that work, and by no means I'm not a fiberglass expert. I'm just following along with Jamar, who is more versed in this, and this is pretty much what he does as well. So thank you and enjoy the video.
Unless you heard it from me, then you ain't heard it from me. Unless you heard it from me, then you ain't heard it from me. All black, MZ, still screaming out that chain gang. Unless you heard it from me, then you ain't heard it from me. All gang, old man, old school, young jam, all black, MZ, still screaming out that chain gang. Unless you heard it from me, then you ain't heard it from me. Young jam, all black, MZ, still screaming out that chain gang. Unless you heard it from me, then you ain't heard it from me. Young jam, all black, MZ, still screaming out that chain gang. Unless you heard it from me, then you ain't heard it from me. All gang, old man, old school, young jam, all black, MZ, still screaming out that chain gang. Unless you heard it from me, then you ain't heard it from me. Young jam, all black, MZ, still screaming out that chain gang.
Alignment. So you're doing this, right?
Yep. Just take a little bit.
Just a little bit by a little bit, and just this curve.
Like that.
Unless you heard it from me, then you ain't heard it from me.
This is one more. We're gonna bolt it up now. And then
Old guy, old man, old school, young jam, all black, MZ, still screaming out that chain gang. Unless you heard it from me, then you ain't heard it from me. Old school, young jam, all black, MZ, still screaming out that chain gang. Unless you heard it from me,
fit, man.
you ain't heard it from me. Old guy, old man, old school, young jam, all black, MZ, still screaming
Jamar
out that
production.
chain gang. Unless you heard it from me, then you ain't heard it from me. Old guy, old man, old school, young jam, all black, MZ, still screaming out that chain gang. Unless you heard it from me, then you ain't heard it from me. Old guy, old man,
so how they do that, right?
young jam,
How they always got
MZ, still
the
screaming out
whole
that chain
face and everything. It's like, but it's still close.
heard it from me.
You got a bit? You need a bit?
Old man,
No, I got it.
old school, young jam, all black, MZ, still screaming out that chain gang.
You do one of them speed shots, right? We just fast.
Yep, we're just talking, saying, I don't know what we're saying. He's recording me doing all this, but I'm actually the apprentice. I'm just doing what he says I can do. So,
You don't know who he is. This he talking about. Master Leo right here, look.
yeah.
No Apprentice.
See, look, I forgot to do something there. Where is it?
You put a tape on each of them already? On the back?
Is it this one? Nope, didn't do that. See that? That's good. That's good.
That was to everyone.
He said Leo's no apprentice. That's an apprentice move right there. Then pick on that.
Human error.
He's a very nice instructor, that's all I gotta say. He's very nice. Very forgiving. Boom, Leo broke off a piece. It's okay. It's like, what? Hey, just drill a hole right there. I overshot it. Made 2 holes instead of 1. It's okay. Just label it.
Everything can fix. Everything fixable.
No. So look, clearly I was working right here. Because guess what's right here? My tool. Clearly I was right here. I was right here.
Guess what?
What?
It wasn't recorded.
It wasn't recorded? Now we recording, now we live? We live now. What are you doing, Leo? I'm taping. Taping things. What's that for? I don't know.
We gotta do a walk around and you tell me where this bill is, cause people need to know.
We let them know.
You gotta tell them about this. Your little handiwork yesterday.
Yeah.
Called this fitment. Get that.
I did some of that, but with some instructions. Nothing to see here, kids. Nothing to see here, kids.
Oh, so we don't even need the 2 other plugs. This is good.
Nothing to see here, kids. Don't do this at home, kids. Parental advisory. What are you doing? Fixing Leo's boo-boos. That's what we're doing. Boo-boo repair. What did Leo do? Well, he just went drill crazy and made a bunch of holes on these things and
You trying to block it, man?
Block it out. Look.
Nah, I said you blocking, plugging it.
Yep.
Actually, I said so we can mix the other one over. So first of all, we're trying to close this gap. This gap that you can see.
So I'm applying this soy sauce to this. That way the mat has something to stick to. And then once the mat is applied, then I apply more of this soy sauce. And that's how we're gonna do it. No way. No way you know him. And he told me, no, you, me. It's like, oh.
Now it's the primary. There is secondary and flare a little bit.